4 na taon na nakalipas. Parehong sitwasyon, parehong pagkakataon, ngunit magkaibang antas at entablado. To God be the highest glory. To everyone gathered here today, let us begin by offering our deepest gratitude to God for being our strength and wisdom throughout this journey. As we celebrate this milestone, we acknowledge Him that it's His grace that has brought us to this moment. And we offer this achievement back to Him with humble hearts. To our ABC Care Superintendent and School Director, Reverend Father Richard S. Rodriguez. To our ABC Press Episcopal Vicar, Reverend Father Edwin M. Similia. To our teacher in charge, Mrs. Eileen D. Lomyo. Dedicated teachers, proud parents, and fellow computers, a blessed morning. 4 years ago, we walked around as young students, excited to meet new faces and form friendships. Every year, new experiences, new challenges. It is not easy, but our hard work paid off and we made it this far. Moving up ceremony symbolizes a meaningful milestone in our journey. A special day, one filled with joy, pride, and sense of accomplishment. This moment is a testament of hard work, determination, and perseverance in our late night sleeps, the struggles, and there are times we thought we couldn't do it anymore. But here we are, standing tall and ready to face the future. I will admit, I dream of giving a gratitude speech at this moment. Parang gandang isipin na ikaw yung nagsasalita sa unan, di ba? But when I found out I was actually given the opportunity to speak, I was overwhelmed. Napaisip ako, paano ko to sisimulan? O ano bang sasabihin ko? It's more than just a title. It's a responsibility to be authentic, to be meaningful, and hopefully to say something that resonates with each and every one of you. I want to be worth listening to. Siguro sa tingin ng iba, parang ako yung nagwagi, the one giving the speech and with these medals. But the truth is, we are all winners. We all fought our own battles, pushed ourselves to our limits, and persevered through difficult times. From the students who relied on short-term memory but made it, to those who struggled to keep up with the lessons but never gave up, to those who had late-night struggles just to complete the activities and projects, to those who skipped breakfast just to get to school on time. We all deserve to be celebrated. And let's not just celebrate our achievements, but also the spirit of resilience and determination that brought us here. Kaya tayo ay patuloy na mangarap, patuloy na magsumikap, at patuloy na maniwala sa ating mga sarili. Now, if you could sum up your entire high school journey in just one word, what would it be? Maybe some of you will say it's memorable because many memories were made. Or maybe the word challenges. Dahil marami tayong hinarap na pagsubok na talagang sumubok sa atin. O kaya naman ay friendships. Dahil may mga nabuong samahan na tunay na naandyan para sa bawat isa. Well, think about that for a moment. Because the answer reveals what truly mattered to you during these formative years. But if I had to choose the best word to describe my journey, our journey, I'd say it's growth. Because it's not just about learning facts, equations, or names. It's about becoming more resilient, more compassionate, more aware of ourselves and the world. We are still becoming, and that's the exciting part. Growth isn't a straight road. It's messy and unpredictable, but that's what makes it beautiful. Like how branches grow towards the sunlight in their own unique way, sometimes they bend, slow down, or even feel lost for a while. But they still find their way. And same with us. We find our path, our purpose at the right time. It's not about how perfectly we do it. What matters is we keep growing. As Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. We equip ourselves with knowledge, skills, and values to make a difference. Nasa ating kamay nakasalalay ang ninanais nating tagumpay. To our teachers, thank you for guiding us with patience and pushing us to be our best. Thank you for believing in us even when we did not believe in ourselves. Your dedication, compassion, and commitment has shaped us into who we are today. Sa mga magulang na naririto, saludo po ako sa inyo. Salamat po sa walang hanggang pagmamahal at suporta.
Hindi na umiyak.
Yun ang damit ni JP.
Salamat po sa walang hanggang pagmamahal at suporta na araw-araw niyo ipinadadama sa inyong mga anak. Higit sa lahat, sa aking magulang. Mama at Papa, at kay Nanay Sunny na naririto rin po ngayon. Utang ko po sa inyo kung sino at ano ako. At alam ko pong kasama ko kayo sa paghahatak na landas ng pangarap ko. Salamat po at mahal na mahal ko po kayo. To my classmates,